Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make up to $100 per day by taking pictures or videos with your phone. So sit tight, and you're going to be making some PayPal cash with these methods too, so let's get started right now. Alright guys, I am back, and before I get started, I just want to mention that if these methods don't work for you for some reason, check out what I do instead. You can check out that video if you want to check out what I do, or you can just click the first link in the video description, or you can just click here as well to get started on learning what I do and how you can learn as well from the same training that I've learned, and it's going to make you a lot more money than any of these methods that I'm going to show you today, okay? So here is the first method. The first method is mepic at mepic.co. Okay, it's MIPIC.co. That's how you get to the site. And what is this site? This is a site for selling your photos on merchandise, okay? And you don't have to make any merchandise or anything like that. You just take the photos, okay? With your phone or with a better camera, and then you can upload with this app for Apple Store. It doesn't seem like they have an app for Android for some reason, so you're going to need the website if you don't have if they don't have the Android app. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here up top, sell. Okay, you're going to come to the sell, and this is going to teach you everything about how this site works. So all you're doing is you're literally just uploading either a design. You can also do designs on any kind of graphic design software on your computer, or you could take pictures with your phone and upload pictures to put on merchandise, okay? So bring your pics to life and earn money for free. Our platform empowers you with print-on-demand product manufacturing using world's best printing technology, and you could basically launch your customized print store like that. And you're going to get a store like this that's going to be free and personalized to you with a link like that. And there's no setup cost, no tech required, and you're going to get premium products for your photos. So if you actually look on the shop item here, you can see all the different products that your photos can potentially get sold on. Okay, so let's just keep going here. So this is how it works. You're going to upload your art, whether it's a graphic design or a image, like a photo that you took with your phone. So take your likes to the next level. Just upload and tag your art. We check the resolution and only show the products your image will look great on to retain the best print quality. So you cannot upload like a small file. It cannot be compressed. It cannot be, it needs to be the natural or the highest quality that your phone can take. Okay, so make sure when you transfer your files that it maintains the full image. Then bring your art to life. Sell your art as premium lifestyle products handmade by our specialists. Just select the product you want to sell and share your preview on social media. Leave the rest to us. We handle everything: printing, shipping, and customer service. So that is really awesome. So you get to choose which products you want for your pictures, okay? Become the designer. Sell products with a simple upload. People around the world can now own your pics as custom art or fashion. We'll drive people to your gallery and provide you tools to help you promote products to friends and followers, and you can earn up to 20% on every single sale, okay? So up to 20%. I think it goes as low as 10%. I'm not sure if it goes lower than that. And then you're going to get paid by PayPal here. There is nothing easier than PayPal. And so all you got to do is just get started. You click this button. It's very easy to sign up. There's no real restrictions here that I can see. So for the printing, they print in UK, USA, Europe, and Australia. So it is worldwide, but not every single country. Okay, so that is for my pick. The next one is 500px.com. This one's more like a traditional stock photo site. Another one would be like shutterstock.com or istockphoto.com. So that's like 3 different sites that you can use this type of platform to sell your images. So this is how you can sell your images over and over again to multiple people and still retain your copyright. So you could grow as a photographer here and sell your images. So let me go down to here, get paid for your photos. So click here for more information. And then here you're going to get paid for your photos with 500px licensing. So licensing is awesome because this is how you're going to earn up to 60% royalties, sell your photos and get paid up to 60% royalties for your photos if they are licensed exclusively through 500px. So I guess the upper end 60% you have to only sell on this site. That's what sell exclusively mean for this site. Okay, easy submission process, so you just got to upload really quickly. Of course, the bigger your file is, the best that would be for them, because some of this could be for commercial purposes, and when it's for commercial purposes, they're going to be blowing up that image very big, so it has to be the highest quality that you can get. So there are many other links here for you to learn if you want to submit to the site, which I'm not going to go over every single thing here. There's a lot. So if you want to use this site, there is so much information for you to earn from this site. So I also read that some of the licensing people have to buy to use this site is like $250, and you can earn, so if you're exclusive here, you can earn 60% royalties from that, and that is over $100 per license that you can earn. So here's another fun way to earn with the pictures with your phone or videos. And actually this one is going to be recording little videos. Okay, this is very easy and it's not for the public. So the videos that you're going to be recording are strictly for the companies that are needing to do the research. So what is this? ProductTube. This is producttube.com, and it's kind of like a gig work kind of app where you go into a store and you're going to film yourself talking about a certain brand. And the gig itself is very self-explanatory. It's very easy to understand what you need to do when you go into the store. And you're basically just talking about how you're picking a product. That's how this works. So it's very, very simple. So let's take a look at how it works here. So you're going to sign up on producttube.com. And then you're going to record here. You will start receiving invites to video projects. Follow the simple instructions to record your product experiences. Then you're going to upload. You're going to upload to ProductTube directly from your phone using iPhone or Android app or online at producttube.com. And then you're going to get rewards. So within 48 hours already, you can already earn your rewards, and they're going to pay out Amazon gift cards. Okay, so this is not cash, but Amazon gift cards, and you can make $50 to $80 for 1 hour of effort per month here. So you're not making like a lot of videos, but you do get to earn a little bit here. The reviews are really good. It's almost 4 stars on Google Play. And if you look at these pictures here, so each of these gig is like $10, $5, $6 for each of them that you do. So it's pretty simple, and you're gonna get paid out pretty fast and easy here with Amazon gift cards. Okay, here is the Apple rating. It's 4.8, but it's only 31 ratings here because this is a new listing on the Apple Store. The old listing is actually takes you to your iTunes store. Okay, so this is the same information, but it's rated really high here. So on also Reddit, I found this one. So you could get paid $10 to $30 per video, And this is from somebody who has done it, who has completed 2 studies and were paid about $10 each. Okay, so those are all the different ways that you can make money by taking pictures with your phone. And like I was telling you, this is not for everybody, but you know, if you really want to make a lot more money and stick to online only and you know, do online stuff, then you should check out that first link in my video description where you can learn some online skills that can take you much further in your online journey, okay? You really need to build an online business if you want to make the bigger dollars, and if you are not qualified for a lot of these sites or apps, then you really need to build your own business, okay? And to learn how to do that, you just need the best training there is, and that is going to be the link in my video description. It's going to be the first link, so check that out, okay? So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to learn more ways to make money online, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos come out. I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye.